Hello and welcome to Simply doTERRA Cleanse and Restore. We are going to dive right into our class. So your health truly manifests itself from the inside out. While a balanced diet, regular exercise, and effective stress management are self-explanatory foundations of a healthy lifestyle, minimizing toxic load can be just as important. Vital organ function and toxic load can influence your health as much as any other controllable factor. So, as most of us already know, a toxin is a substance that places undue stress on the body, and it describes the sum of all toxins accumulated within your body and the burden they place on the vital organs. That would be the load. So, we're exposed to tons of these every day from sources we are not even aware of. Every breath we take, every bite we eat, every minute we stand in the sun, and every chemical, natural or synthetic, that we encounter exposes us to substances that can positively or negatively impact our health. Our lungs, digestive tract, and skin are the most vulnerable pathways that are regularly exposed. So, as we already know, there's 3 ways to benefit from essential oils: aromatic, topical, and internal. And as we know, aromatic is an easy way to enjoy aromatic benefits. Diffusion is a simple tool in our toolbox that has major impact. Most hazardous pollutants we encounter actually come from indoor chemicals: air fresheners, candles, plug-ins, fragrances or irritants, and sensitizers. Chemicals like phthalates are often used in fragrances because of the unique structure and lingering smells. So how do we make our house smell like home? Diffusing pure essential oils, of course. Topical application of essential oils is popular and time-tested method, but using essential oils on your skin can be a bit more complicated than applying commercial body lotion. You generally apply essential oils only where you need their benefits so you can enjoy a localized effect. Internal use of natural potent essential oils, when done safely, can help you feel whole, balanced, and strong. You'll find that internal uses for essential oils are unique as you are, allowing you to give your body support as you work towards a healthier lifestyle. So some of you recognize this picture. For those who are new, this is the doTERRA Wellness Lifestyle Pyramid. It was created with foundational health principles in mind that build atop each other. Think of the Jenga blocks. If you remove the foundation, it all topples. Nutrition, digestion, movement, and metabolism impact all other aspects of your health and wellness. These wellness principles are the same lifestyle factors that impact overall health. Of course, nutrition. Every system in your body requires adequate nourishment to function, which is very important to eat a diet that's rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Digestion or gut health impacts nutrient absorption, which we just talked about, as well as your immune and mental wellness. Movement, exercise supports your body in many ways, including a healthy immune system. Metabolism is your body's way of regulating and managing energy. Adequate sleep impacts your health in so many ways, including hormonal and metabolic wellness. Stress, ongoing, can negatively impact your short-term and long-term health. And exposure, studies have previously shown environmental exposure to pollutants can affect almost every bodily system. So managing our toxic load is one of the most important aspects of overall healthy maintenance that's rarely addressed. During your daily routines, simple yet necessary tasks like eating, breathing, exercising, and running errands expose your body to numerous toxins and health threats. Minimizing these exposures and eating a primarily whole food diet are foundational for supporting your body's internal filtering and cleansing systems. But sometimes we need a boost. Fortunately, our body has several defense mechanisms to protect these vital organs. It starts with mucous membranes that line your nose, mouth, and throat, which are meant to trap foreign particles inside your digestive tract. Inside your digestive tract, trillions of microorganisms called probiotics, good bacteria, maintain digestive efficiency and support immune response. Finally, the liver and kidneys identify and eliminate toxins from our body. When it's functioning properly, your body is a toxic load minimizing machine. You can maintain these protective mechanisms by minimizing exposure, supporting vital organs, and eating a healthy diet and regularly detoxing. We can support our body's cleansing capabilities with easy recipes and routines like this juice blend. It features cilantro essential oil, a powerful cleanser and detoxifier. You can also substitute cilantro with celery seed, a cleansing essential oil that improves digestion. Take the recipes on here. I will post the recipe in the note section so you guys can have it. But the ingredients are 3 kale leaves, 2 stalk celery, 1 lime, 1 apple, 1 cucumber, 1 drop of cilantro or celery seed essential oil. Combine everything in a juicer and then add the essential oil. Add more cilantro or celery seed to taste. Spring cleansing is a simple way to detoxify and support your vital organs. The Cleanse and Restore Kit is a foundational detoxification tool. Combining innovative products and an easy-to-follow 30-day regimen can help you minimize your toxic load. As your body detoxes the daily chemicals it's exposed to, it'll deplete its nutrient reserves and need extra nutrient support. The more toxic exposure, the greater its need for copper, iron, zinc, and magnesium. Such vitamins and minerals provide your body with a specific health benefit. If certain nutrients are missing, then your body isn't receiving the resources it needs to function properly. For many people, supplementation ensures their body receives adequate vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients to support overall function and proper toxin cleansing. Thus, the doTERRA Lifelong Vitality Pack. Each complex blend assists with optimal health. A healthy digestive system affects all bodily facets and functions, while whole, unprocessed foods support a healthy digestive system. Sometimes the body needs extra dietary assistance. GX Assist combines essential oils and caprylic acid to help cleanse the digestive system so it can function at its maximum potential. It supports natural detoxification by creating an unfriendly environment for toxins in the digestive tract, addressing immediate detoxification needs. GX Assist blend consists of oregano, tea tree, lemon, lemongrass, peppermint, and thyme essential oils to purify and cleanse the digestive system and possibly improve internal microbial balance. Caprylic acid, a lipid derived from coconut oil, has been used for decades to support digestive health. As a part of GX Assist, it helps create a healthy digestive environment. GX Assist is ideal for both annual digestive cleanses and monthly support. So we take 1 to 3 capsules per day for 10 days out of the month to support a healthy digestive environment. Follow up GX Assist with 10 days of PB Assist, probiotic defense formula, to promote a positive balance and proliferation of beneficial bacteria, which are necessary for digestive health. Many probiotic supplements cannot pass through the stomach acid unaffected. PB Assist protects 6 probiotic cultures as they pass through the stomach with a unique time-release double capsule layer. Each serving of PB Assist delivers 6 key strains of beneficial bacteria for proper food digestion and 6 billion CFUs of active probiotic cultures and soluble prebiotic fiber to support proper digestive function, particularly in the colon and intestinal tract. Supplementing your diet with probiotics promotes a healthy intestinal tract, digestive comfort, optimal metabolism, and absorption of nutrients in the GI tract. Recent studies suggest a healthy balance of probiotic gut bacteria also helps the body maintain healthy immune system. Cells are the foundation of all living things, providing information for our bodily functions. Cellular functions progressively degrade with age. That process can be expedited by poor nutrition, sedentary habits, stress, toxin exposure, and other unhealthy choices. When cellular functions are compromised, cellular growth and regeneration are altered, negatively impacting normal healthy responses. The DDR prime cellular complex blends CPTG, certified pure tested grade oils, frankincense, wild orange, lemongrass, thyme, clove, summer savory, and neoli to provide powerful antioxidant support for cellular health, function, and vitality. Take a few drops daily in a drink or veggie cap to protect against oxidative stress and support normal cellular function. Frankincense and wild orange essential oils promote a healthy response to free radicals. Clove provides powerful antioxidant properties. Neoli and thyme support cellular immunity and overall cellular health. Summer savory supports the body's natural oxidative defenses. Lemongrass can protect against environmental threats. The Zendocrine detoxification complex provides whole food extracts in an enzyme delivery system to support the cleansing and filtering functions of the liver, kidneys, colon, lungs, and skin. Zendocrine detoxification complex should be used with Zendocrine detoxification blend soft gels, which include CPTG, clove, grapefruit, rosemary, and geranium essential oils. The 14 active whole food extracts in Zendocrine detoxification blend. Sorry. The 14 active whole food extracts in Zendocrine detoxification complex include milk thistle, psyllium husk, and safflower petals. They target specific cleansing organs, providing protective cleansing and filtering functions for the body. Amylase, cellulase, magnesium yeast, and manganese yeast help you absorb the whole food extracts. Absorption is the top priority for nutritional supplements. Unless they're properly absorbed, they cannot do their jobs. With the Zendocrine detoxification soft gels, the body can better cleanse and purify the areas that need it most, like the kidneys, lungs, skin, colon, and liver. Take 1 to 2 soft gels to safely and quickly support healthy liver function, kickstarting your new lifestyle. Zendocrine also delivers powerful antioxidants that can fight against free radicals, which slow bodily systems, leaving you feeling heavy and weighed down. Lemon is a versatile essential oil, especially known for its purifying properties. It aids in digestion when taken internally, so add a drop or two to your glass of water or tea to boost healthy digestion. The 10 active enzymes in dōTERRA, often deficient in cooked, processed, and preservative-laden foods, help with the digesting proteins, fats, and complex carbohydrates, sugars, fiber, and other food nutrients. dōTERRA also reduces digestive nutrient production demands, thus freeing resources for optimal metabolic enzyme production and activity. dōTERRA can also be used as targeted support for specific food tolerances of protein, fats, and carbohydrates such as lactose. Take 1 to 3 vegetable capsules with meals throughout the day. If your meals include lots of fresh, raw foods, take 1 capsule. If your meal includes highly processed cooked foods or products known to cause GI discomfort, take 2 to 3 capsules. Small changes to digestive schedules should resolve within a few days. Here's how to use the Cleanse and Restore Kit over the next 30 days. I will drop the PDF in the group so you can have that. So your days 1 through 30, you're going to take your Terrazyme 1 to 3 capsules with every meal. You're going to drink your lemon oil 1 to 3 drops in water 3 to 5 times a day. Take your Zendocrine Detoxification Complex 1 to 2 capsules 3 times a day. And that's what you do for 30 days. Your first 10 days, you're going to support vital filtering organs by taking your Zendocrine soft gels, 1 soft gel 2 to 3 times daily. Days 11 through 20, you're going to cleanse the intestinal tract. And that's where the GX Assist comes in, 1 to 3 soft gels with meals for 10 days. And then your last 10 days, you're going to support healthy digestive function and immunity. You're going to take the PB Assist, 1 to 3 capsules with meals daily. For cellular support, you're going to take those last 10 days also, the DDI Prime Cellular Complex, 2 soft gels with meals. I have done this cleanse several times after taking antibiotics or steroids or getting over being sick. And it's been very helpful for my skin, very clearing to my face, and just helps boost immunity and builds energy. So it really is a wonderful cleanse that is, it's not harsh on your body like most cleanses are. It's a very natural process. You don't have to worry about being in and out of the bathroom, anything like that. So it's a very, very gentle cleanse. So the ways that you can get a cleanse, of course, if you're not a member, you can get a free membership with purchasing the cleanse. It's a Cleanse and Restore Kit. You get a free shipping with the kit, any order over 100 PV. You get a free diffuser over 150 PV. So when you get this kit, you get a nice little diffuser. And you can also earn doTERRA dollars with Refer a Friend. The way you can do that, if you have a friend that's interested in cleansing and restoring, you can send your Refer a Friend link, and you can get free doTERRA dollars that you can use on your doTERRA orders. So message your mentor and have them explain to you how you can use your Refer a Friend link today and receive your free doTERRA dollars back within 10 days. If you're already a customer, you can get the Cleanse and Restore Kit on your LRP and receive 10 to 30% back in free points and, of course, free shipping. And so make sure you add it to your next LRP order. Of course, there's 3 types of members: a customer, a sharer, and a builder. Customers are receiving free points, free products, LRP, and just good quality education and products from doTERRA. If you're interested in learning more about sharing, where you would like to maybe host a class or refer a friend link, message your mentor and they could share that information with you. And if you want to learn how to empower others and teach classes like me, we would love to teach you how to earn an income, supplement, or even replace your income. Thank you very much. We appreciate you, and stay healthy and stay oily. Bye-bye.